Our latest home air conditioner is easier than ever to install, so if you're an HVAC professional not familiar with Hitachi products, have no fear. For installation with long piping runs or just for tidier installation, you can now attach the drain hose to the outdoor unit from any angle. Our new safeguard system combines electrical and mechanical systems to protect the outdoor unit from extreme weather, voltage fluctuation, pests, dusts, and leaks. This includes a fireproof enclosure that seals electrical parts inside metal cages, also protecting from insect infestation, a valve cover to protect from condensation and leaks, anti-rust paint to protect from water, air pollution, and alkaline corrosion, and a 3-minute electrical delay circuit which, in the event of a power failure, delays restarting to reduce the likelihood of a short circuit or blown fuse. There's also voltage surge protection to protect against voltage fluctuations, and a power protect mode to restrict the maximum current draw for situations where energy supply may be a limitation. So, with Hitachi airHome, you should experience easy, worry-free installation for your clients.
Hitachi airHome. AC for people who don't want to think about AC.